Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to study social science class 10 chapter 13 manufacturing industries. Which of the following cities is called Cotonopolis of India for cotton textiles? Mumbai. Which place does India hold in the export of jute in the world? Second. Which Indian city is well known as Silicon Valley of India? Bangalore. Where is the mini steel plant located in Gujarat? Hazira. Which of the following passes falls? Andhra Pradesh and Burnpur Paris Falls. Large scale industries is cotton cloth and small scale industry is of Khansari sugar. Which industries have been developed where bauxite, hydroelectricity are easily available? Aluminium refining. Where are the centers of chemical industry located in Gujarat? The center of chemical industry located in Gujarat are Ahmedabad, Vadodara, Ankleshwar, Bharuch, etc. State 4 centers of paper industry in Gujarat. The centers of paper industry in Gujarat are Ahmedabad, Rajkot, Surat, Vapi, Valsad, Vadodara, etc. What is meant by industry? The process in which man can change the natural resources into usable conditions according to his intellectual, cultural and economic is called industry. On the basis of human labor, into how many parts section can industries be divided? On the basis of human labor, the industries can be divided into small scale and large scale industries. What is called large scale industry? The industry where more employment is available is known as large scale industry. Example, cotton textile industry. What is called small scale industry? When an industry is under the direction of an individual's ownership and the number of laborers is also less, is called a small scale industry. Example, sugar and khandisari industry. Into how many sections can industries be divided on the basis of the source of raw material? On the basis of the source of the raw materials, the industries can be classified into agro-based industries and mineral-based industries. Which agro-based industries are considered to be dependent on the source of raw material obtained from agriculture-based activity? Cotton textile, jute, silk, woolen textiles, sugar, paper, etc. are industries based on the raw material obtained from activity based on agriculture. Which favorable conditions are necessary for cotton textile industry? Cheap cotton, availability of labor, transport facilities, ports for export and favorable markets are necessary for cotton textile industry. Which are main and traditional centers for cotton textile industry in present times? In present times, Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Bhiwandi, Solapur, Kolhapur, Nagpur, Indore and Ujjain are main and traditional centers for cotton textile industry. How India holds first place in the jute industry? India holds first place in the production of jute and goods made from jute. Which type of silks are produced in India? In India, 4 types of silks are produced: mulberry, eri, tasar and muga. What is made by synthetic cloth? The cloth made from synthetic fiber made by man is strong, durable and does not retain wrinkles is called synthetic cloth. From which raw material is paper made? Paper is made out of softwood, bamboo, grass, molasses, etc. What is called mineral based industry? The industry where minerals are used as raw material is known as mineral based industry. Which raw materials are used in iron steel industry? Iron ore, coal like stone and manganese are used as raw material in iron steel industry. Who has been given the administration of iron steel factories except Tata? The administration of iron steel factories except Tata is given to Steel Authority of India, SAIL. Where can aluminium refinery be established? Aluminium refinery industry can be established where hydroelectricity and aluminium are available easily. Which equipments industries is copper useful? Copper is useful in electricity industry in making of refrigerator, air conditioner, automobiles, radiators, domestic utensils, etc. Which are properties of plastic? Plastic is waterproof material and can fit into any mold. For which constructive work is cement is an inevitable element. Cement is an inevitable element in building construction, roads, dams, etc. What is considered as the raw material for cement? Limestone, coal, gypsum, bauxite, clay, etc. are the raw materials for cement. What is called transport industry? Today in modern age, vehicles with faster speed along with the development of loads have come in usage. The industry which produces such vehicles is known as transport industry. In which railway engines that run on steam are useful? The steam engines are now only used for heritage trains which are run only for tourism purpose. Where are passenger coaches made? Passenger coaches are manufactured at Perambur, Bangalore, Kapurthala and Kolkata. Which are the main centers to build ships of modern styles in public sector? The main centers to build ships of modern styles in public sector are Visakhapatnam, Kolkata, Kochi, Mumbai and Marmagaon. At which place aircraft building units are established for the requirement of army? Aircraft building units are established in Bangalore, Koraput, Nasik, Hyderabad and Lucknow for the requirement of army. What is environmental degradation? When the environmental conditions deteriorate due to natural or man-induced reasons, the quality of environment is reduced, which is called environmental degradation. Which type of industrial pollutions are there? Air pollution, water pollution, land pollution and noise pollution. How is the noise pollution increased? Noise pollution is increased due to old machinery and equipments of transportations, due to which harmful gases air has become polluted. Due to very harmful gases like carbon monoxide and sulfur dioxide, air has become polluted. What does human being feel due to too much noise? Man experiences mental tension due to too much noise. How air pollution can be curbed? Air pollution can be curbed through filter, scrubber, precipitator, etc. At which place BEL was established in 1956? At Bangalore. In which state is Sindri located? In Bihar. At which place is diesel locomotive works established? At Varanasi. Which is the cottonopolis of cotton cloth? Mumbai. At which place is ISRO located? In Gujarat, Ahmedabad. In which state is Ludhiana located? Punjab. In which state is Ghatshila located? Jharkhand. In which state is Hazira located? Gujarat. The reduction of quality in environment means what? Environmental degradation. What is meant by Steel Authority of India? SAIL, SAIL. True pairs. England, beginning of Industrial Revolution. Industrial Revolution was started between 1750 to 1850 AD. Cotton cloth, large scale industry. Sugar related industries are small scale industries. Mumbai, cottonopolis of cotton textile. Ahmedabad, denim city of India. West Bengal, Hooghly River. Iron steel industry, key industry. Hazira, mini steel plant. Bauxite, ore of aluminium. FCI, Fertilizer Corporation of India. Perambur, passenger coaches of railway. Kochi and Visakhapatnam, construction of large size ship. Aircraft industry, Koraput. Electronic industry, Bangalore. Industrial waste, water pollution. A factor of deafness, noise pollution. Carbon monoxide and sulfur dioxide, air pollution. First cotton textile mills were established at Mumbai. There are more mills of cotton textile in Mumbai in Maharashtra, hence it is also called as cottonopolis of India. Paper is made out of softwood, bamboo, grass, molasses, etc. In 1907, the factory established at Jamshedpur started producing iron steel on very large scale. In Gujarat, Ahmedabad is called the Manchester of East. The administration of all iron steel factories except Tata is handed over to SAIL. First chemical fertilizer factory of India was established in 1906 at Ranipat in Tamil Nadu. The development of chemical fertilizer industry when FCI started its factory at Sindari. Cement is inevitable in building construction, roads, dams, etc. Bangalore has been made the capital of electronic industry. It is also called Silicon Valley of India. Water pollution has increased due to industrial effluents. Noise pollution has increased due to old machinery in industry and equipment of transport. Man experiences mental tension due to too much of noise. Due to natural and man-made reasons, the quality of environment is reduced. It is called environmental degradation. Iron ore, coal, limestone and manganese are used as raw material for producing iron and steel. In 1972, Indian Copper Corporation was handed over to Hindustan Copper Limited. First copper refining unit of India was found by ICC at Ghatshila in Jharkhand. The industry wherein minerals are used as raw materials is known as mineral-based industry. India holds first place in the production of jute and goods made from jute.